So Google has a ton of different applications that you could utilize for your productivity and just to make your life easier. In fact, I use the Google Calendar all the time, obviously emails and things like that. But Google Keep is one of the applications that I use as well. So I'm going to give you kind of like a look around, kind of like what you can expect, show you how to make notes and things like that. Very, very simple. Again, you're going to have your regular computer application, but you're also going to have an app. And I love using the app. I could go back and forward and all that. By the way, welcome to the channel. Make sure you subscribe. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below. Okay, so here we are in this account. Obviously, my main account has a ton of different notes and all that. And again, if you have your Google account, it's going to show. But this is kind of what you have. And it's very simple from here. You could just do a note, right? So if I click right there on title, I could just put test. And again, I could write a note. Again, we could do all kind of different things. Maybe you're using this for Bible study or something like that. I've used that a lot for that. Maybe you want to do groceries, or maybe you're just a college student that you need notes. But what I like about this is that from here, you have multiple different choices. In fact, you could add up some people right here. You could put a reminder. So essentially, you could put a date. You could put, if you want to repeat or not. So reminders to me are great. I love putting reminders. You could also, let's open it up again. You could also do a background. Let's just do a background right here, and you can kind of see the background. I love the backgrounds because, again, depends what you're doing. Maybe, like I said, maybe you're doing groceries and your background is going to be one color. Maybe Bible study is a different color or whatever. And I love that you could add up a picture. So again, you can look for a picture right here and add it up. And I just use some of the thumbnails that I have just to give you an idea. But you can see it right here how it looks. I'm going to open this up just to give you a better look right here. But again, from here, you could be writing all kind of different things. And you can see me writing here just to give you an idea. Now, if you click this three dots right here, I love this too because you could put a label as well. I'm going to show you that in a second, but obviously delete note. And now here it's going to be add label. Now, what I like about the labels is that they're going to kind of stay in the same label. You kind of search the notes from labels. So let's say this is, like I said, Bible study, groceries, college. Okay, so I just add up three different labels right there. Obviously, click the label that it goes, and then you can kind of see it here. Now, if I exit out right here, I want you to look here to the left. You kind of see the labels that I make, right? So if I click on groceries, there's nothing there, right? If I click on college, nothing neither. Bible study, that one's right there. Let's open another one, tattoo, and let's add up another label right here. And this is going to be change labels. We're going to give it college. All right, so now Bible study, we got this one. In college, we have this one right there. So you can kind of organize how you want them in labels, right? So I'm going to open this back up and just give you an idea. Obviously, if you want to erase the picture, you can erase the picture right here. You could add drawing. You could make a copy. You could show check boxes. We kind of gave you some check boxes. That's perfect for like I said, when I was talking about groceries, you could do some groceries in there. List items in there. So hello. All right. So you can see there how you could calm down in different items as well. You could copy to Google Docs. That's definitely something really, really cool. So again, it's a pretty decent one. Another thing that you could do that I love as well is that as you click here on your note, up here to the right, there's going to say a pin. So if you click pin, all your pin notes are going to be to the top, right? So let's go to all the notes right now, right? You have this note that I did here, and you have this one right here. As you can notice, this one says pin up here, and it's going to stay to the top. So again, really, really cool. I think Google Keep is a fantastic setup. I love the app. I love how it has it. And let me just give you a look so you can see it. And here we are right here. I just opened the app right there, and you can see very, very simple. The moment that I open, I got my note that I was working on in the computer, and again the other note right here. So again, let's go ahead and add up a note right here just to show you how simple can it be. And this is going to be another hello 3, and then I could click here, hello everyone, thanks so much for watching. Now we're going to click back, and that's done right there. I'm going to grab it, I'm going to open it again, and I'm going to pin it. You see how I pin it right there, and you can put reminders on all that. So we're going to go back here, and you see the pin note right here. Let's go back to the computer, and you can see me back in the computer right there. The notes is right there. Very, very simple. They just sync with each other with no issues at all. So again, I've been using Google Keep for a while already. I use it in my regular life. I use it for many different aspects. I think it's pretty beneficial, and it could help you out if you are a social media content creator. If you're a regular guy that needs to write some notes, this may be a choice for you. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below. We'll see you in the next one.